Yo, yo, yo. We are at Deer Valley Resort. It's a beautiful day out here.
Might be a famous person, who knows?
It is the freshiest fresh pal day so far. As far as I've seen, we got about 5 inches last night.
This is the first day of snow season.
Pretty much.
Snow, the POW begins. Here we go.
Oh yeah. First time this season, man. It's really hard when you're not used to this kind of fresh powder. Like you don't know what to do. But sometimes you just gotta What you doing? Hey! Oh! Forgot how to ski?
That was really nice right there. That's the tree line, but we missed it.
Still kind of getting warmed up. Yeah, I'm not so used to fresh powder. I mean, it's January, first POW of the season. Just not used to it, but man, is it awesome. Just had, you kind of have to lean back a little bit more. Oh yeah. The jumps are definitely even sicker too. first it's hard to figure out, but once you get it, it's just magic. Powder. I picked the best day.
Yes, you really did.
To vlog. And the best day to ski.
Great though. The thing with powder is you have to keep your speed, you know.
You have to keep your speed and you have to keep your leaning back a little bit and
Tips up and speed.
And skis together. Just the powder will just consume you.
Yeah.
Sick, bro! I love heckling people on the lift. It's my favorite pastime at the ski resort. That was a close one. Ha! Whoa!
This is sick.
My pass is in my pocket, so I literally have to hump the machine. Epic fail. Sending her down. Okay.
And I try to, like, say I go into a little pile like this and I try to turn out of it too hard. It like twists the binding and
Yeah.
like too much. It's too much pressure for it, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Still filming. Like how far?
Somewhere right in there.
Oh, I see it. I think. Nope, that's not your pole. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, that works. That works. Oh yeah. I'm good for now. That's it right there.
There's the moon. No, it's the sun. I go find my other ski poles.
We can try, but
We'll give it one. We'll give it one.
hey, there you go. Whoa. My boy decided he wanted to try out the no pole.
Ski with Harrison, you lose one fucking pole, so you just get rid of the other one. That's how it goes.
Now we're stuck on the lift. Been stuck here, I don't know, about 30 seconds, as usual.
I like the no poles though.
Had to put a lip in. Feels like I'm back in Georgia.
God damn.
Feels like I'm back in Georgia already. Sick, bro!
Deer Valley. Don't do that shit now.
Yeah, this is Deer Valley. People pay like $1,000 to ski here.
Yeah,
So
come on.
you can't be heckling. Can't be heckling at all.